This is the brief on electromagnetic waves. Every single wireless signal we rely on every day, from 5G networks and Wi-Fi to satellite downlinks, is driven by one fundamental, totally invisible phenomenon, the electromagnetic wave. First, what actually is this phenomenon? Well, it basically consists of two self-propagating fields, an electric field and a magnetic field, oscillating together in 3D space. Picture two people waving ropes at right angles to each other. Because these fields move perpendicular to their path of travel, we call this a transverse electromagnetic, or just a TEM, wave. Second, let's look at how they move. So how does all this invisible energy actually know where to go in the vacuum of space? It turns out the cross product of these two perpendicular fields creates what's called a Poynting vector, and this vector literally dictates the exact direction and flow of that energy. Finally, let's talk velocity. In free space,